Hey there. Well, if you're like me and you haul things in your pickup, like I do, uh, items such as mulch or rock, whatever, you may notice that you get that debris packed down in between the tailgate and the bed. I'm not a big fan of that. So I had some extra rewards points for GM. So I ordered up the factory tailgate gap cover. It's a $65 item. I paid $5 with after I redeemed some points. So I'll walk you through the installation procedure because the instructions that come with the part are terrible. Um, and then I'm going to withhold judgment on this piece. It's a little cool outside, so maybe that is the reason why it's not performing well. But simple installation. You guys check it out. Maybe I'll give an update when this thing is done next year after I've hauled a few more things to see if it's worth it. Stick around. Hey there and welcome back. So I'm going to install this tailgate or bed gap cover that goes right in here. So if you're like me and you haul things with your truck, you get whatever you're hauling stuck down and packed down in there, and then it becomes tough to clean out. So we'll put this in, show you how to do it, and walk you through the steps. The first step is to remove the 10 fasteners that you see around the edge, which are a T20. So I'll go ahead and do that and then go to the next step. So if you're like me and have never taken off the cover, this is what it looks like. Once I got it off, I can see that I have good access in there to clean out all that debris that's been packed in, which is the whole point of putting this cover on. One of the other things that I like to do when I get things is to test fit them. I wasn't sure how this was going to go on there, but once you get the plastic cover off, you can kind of see how it's going to fit, and that's probably about what the final installation will look like. Before I do that, I am going to clean this up a little bit, but the next step is to take these included alcohol wipes and then clear off that section of the tailgate before you peel the sticky back and put it back onto the tailgate. So I'll get into that next step here in just a minute. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned this with a rag and then hit it with the alcohol swabs. So now it's ready. I'll go ahead and line this piece up with the gap that you see there. The instructions aren't very clear, so I am guessing that it's supposed to be underneath this section here. So I'll get it lined up, put together, and then show you what the finished product looks like. So there it is installed, and it does sit a little bit. I'll put the top on, put the plastic cover back on, and then it says it's supposed to sit there nicely. Well, let's hope that it does. Give you an update here when I get it all put back together. Okay, so once you get it installed and put back together, this is how it looks. The actual piece itself will fold down underneath the bed, so it does make a nice flat surface when you go to shovel stuff out. The thing I noticed, that it's a cool day out today, so this isn't going to be as pliable, but when you go to shut your gate, it can get kind of tight. So, oop, there, it just popped it out. Is this the best solution? Don't know. So we'll give this one a try to see how it works before I make a final decision on this thing. It is a factory part, so I'm hoping that maybe as it warms up, this will work a little easier, but when you do hit the open button, you can see that it does keep the gap nice and closed. So that part I'm happy with, but we'll see how it works in everyday life. Anyways, that's it. It's maybe a 5 or 10 minute installation. Pretty easy. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching.